Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can copy text from a view-only Google Slide on Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So you've been given access to a view-only Google Slides presentation, and you can't make a copy, you can't download it, you can't print it, and you can't email it. You also can't copy text from it, but you want to make a local copy of some of the text or all of the text. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first step is you want to open it up. And once you've opened it up, I want you to go to the URL bar. Notice you'll see a /edit, then some other characters at the end of the URL. I want you to drag to select everything after the final slash. So you're going to be selecting edit, ? then some more characters. Then I want you to press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard to delete it. After that, I then want you to type HTML present after the final slash at the end of the URL. Then press the enter key, and this will open up a HTML presentation of the view-only Google Slide. So the next step is, I want you to either press F12 on your keyboard, or if that doesn't work to bring up the console, I want you to go to the three dotted button up here, then go to More Tools, then go to Developer Tools. And this will open up the Developer Console, and I want you to go to the Network tab. So if you see it here, that's great, just click on it. If you don't see it, click on the More Tabs button here, and Network will appear in the drop-down menu. Then you want to click on it. Now the next step is, once you have the Network tab open, I want you to refresh the page. So you can either click on the Reload Page button here, or F5 on your keyboard. And you're going to notice some values have appeared in this little table. One of them is going to be called HTML present. I want you to click on it. Then you may need to drag out the Developer Tool window a bit, so you have a bit more space. You can also drag out this part here. Then you want to click on the Preview tab. And then you're going to see a preview of the HTML present version of the Google Slide. However, it could be mostly black. Now you can see some grey text here that I have, but you might be thinking, how are we going to get the text if it's all black? Well, if you start dragging, you're going to notice your text is in here. So just click on the black, then press Ctrl and A at the same time on your keyboard, and this will select all of the text. The text is there, you just can't see it. Then I want you to right click and click on copy. I've now got Notepad open, I'm going to right click, click on paste, and look, all of the text from the view-only Google Slides presentation has now been copied, and now we can do what we want with the text. You may want to delete the JavaScript text and the page numbers, but apart from that, we have all of the text from the view-only Google Slide. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.